Hello students, in today's module we will learn how to compare numbers. When two numbers have the same value, we use equal signs to express the relationship between them. Let us take an example. We have the number 4215 and on the other side also we have 4215. Here we can see that both the numbers are the same. That is, the digit at each place is the same on both the sides. Hence, we will put an equal to sign between them, which states that the two given numbers are equal. But when we have numbers that do not have the same value, then we use either the greater sign or the less than sign. We can explain this with the help of an example. The sign, you can take it as the mouth of the crocodile, and you can state that the mouth of the crocodile opens towards the greater number, whereas it remains closed towards the smaller number. For example, here the two given numbers are 4132 and on the other side we have 2341. When we compare the numbers, we will start from the highest place of the number. Here the highest place in both the numbers is thousands. So when we compare the thousands digit in both the numbers, here we can see that in the first one the digit at the thousands place is 4, whereas on the other side the digit at the thousands place is 2, and we know that 4 is greater than 2. So the mouth of the crocodile will remain open towards the number that has got 4 at its thousands place. Let us study about the rules to compare the numbers. Here we have two cases. In case 1, when the number of digits is different, count the number of digits that is given in the numbers at the either ends. Here in this example, on one side you have the number 948, whereas on the other side you have the number 1039. 948 is a 3-digit number, whereas 1039 is a 4-digit number. So the number with the greater number of digits is greater. So here in this case 1039 is greater than 948. So the crocodile mouth will remain open towards the number that is greater. Here 948 is a 3-digit number, whereas 1039 is a 4-digit number. Hence 1039 is greater than 948. Let us come to case 2, when the number of digits is the same. When we have the same number of digits in both the given numbers, then how will we find out which number is greater and which number is smaller? It has got 4 steps. Come to step number 1. Compare the digits in the thousands place. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Here on the left hand side I have the number 3256 and on the right hand side I have the number 1956. Both are 4-digit numbers. So now what we are going to do is we are going to compare the highest place in both the numbers, that is the thousands place. Here in 3256 the digit at thousands place is 3, whereas in 1956 the digit at thousands place is 1. We know that 3 is greater than 1, so we can say that 3256 is greater than 1956. In the next step, if the digits in the thousands place is same, then what we are going to do? We are going to compare the digit at the hundreds place. Here on the left hand side I have the number 4056 and on the right hand side I have the number 4230. Here the digit at thousands place in both these numbers is 4. So we are unable to find out which is the greater number and which is the smaller one. Now come to the next place, that is the hundreds place. Here in 4056, the digit at hundreds place is 0, whereas in 4213, the digit at hundreds place is 2. We know that 0 is less than 2, so we can say that 4213 is greater than 4056. What if the digit at the thousands and the hundreds place are same in both the numbers? In such case, we will compare the digit at the tens place. Here in the example, the number at the left hand side 3256 and the number on the right hand side 3290 both have the same digit at the thousands and the hundreds place. So, it is very difficult to find out which is greater and which is smaller. So, we will move to the next place, that is the tens place. Let us compare the digits at the tens place in both the numbers. In 3256, the digit at tens place is 5, whereas in the number 3290, the digit at tens place is 9. We know that 9 is greater than 5. Hence, we can say that 3290 is greater than 3256. Remember children, the crocodile mouth will remain open towards the number that is greater. The same rule will be followed if the digit at thousands, hundreds and tens place are the same. That is, we will finally compare the digit at the ones place. Whichever number is greater, the crocodile mouth will remain open towards that number. Thank you.